What's up, guys? You guys are welcome to 𝗠𝗲𝗱𝗶 TV channel once again. So you're welcome to our other video of Amazon KDP series. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can get content even though you don't know what to write, or you have a topic but you don't know how to write content such as PDF files or any other write-up you wish to publish on Amazon. Okay, so in this video I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how you can generate a content on your own. If you have a topic, I'll also show you how you can get someone that can write for you. And if you can write but you just want to improve yourself, I'll also tell you a guide you can use to write content. But before we go into that, guys, if you're new to this YouTube channel, you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please, I would like you guys to click on the subscribe button and make sure you click on that bell icon to receive notification each time I drop a video. Okay, like I said earlier, this is a series on Amazon KDP. We have started this video a few days back, and we have talked about introduction of the series and what Amazon KDP is. We've talked about how you can register on Amazon KDP, how you can set up your account, including the payment system, and also we discussed on so many other things. So if you are watching this video for the first time, you have not watched our previous videos. If you have not watched our previous videos earlier, then you can as well go to this playlist over here. Once you click on this playlist, then you scroll down a bit and you're going to see Amazon KDP, which is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Then you click on view full playlist. Once you click on it, you can see other videos you have done already. Okay, so we have to go to the business of today, which is how to show you guys how you can generate and also get your own content to publish on Amazon KDP. Okay, so at the end of this video, if you see this video helpful, please don't forget to smash the like button and don't forget to share as well. Okay, if you have any question, use the comment section below and I will be there to reply you. Okay, so now how can you get your own particular content? Now, first of all, you have to understand what content is. You can also use a word called guide. Now, there are so many of us that are using Android phone. Some of us are using iPhone. Some of us are using system which is Windows 11, Windows 10, and some of us are using MacBooks and other operating systems. And most of us don't know how to operate these systems. Okay, most of us don't know how to operate these systems. So writing a guide on how to do this is generally what you can call a content. It's something that you can write about and publish it on Amazon for people to buy, because there are so many people that don't know about that. So this is about the tech guide aspect. Now, sometimes you might go to some platform or some videos where they talk about how you can make money online, how you can fix a particular problem, or there is some secret about technology that other people don't know, or about the way where you live around that other people don't know. You can as well put this in writing. About content generating in Amazon is all about putting things in writing. What you have, what you can do practically, you can do it, or what you have tested earlier that worked out for you, you can as well put it in writing and publish it on Amazon for sale. Okay, for example, I can put this video I'm making right now in writing, starting from what Amazon is, what Amazon Kindle is, how to create an account, how to set up your account, how to get content, how to publish. All those things I can put it into writing and publish it on Amazon. It is also called content and also a guide. Okay, so now for us that don't want that stress of moving, trying to research on our own, to create a content on our own, to do all those things, I'll also show you where you can get free ebooks you can generate, paraphrase it to your own taste. You paraphrase everything to your own taste and everything will work out for you. You own the copyright ownership and also publish it on Amazon. All right, so that's the first thing I'm going to show you guys, where you can get free ebook. So for you to get this free ebook, it's not free just the way I said it, but what I mean is that you have to pay a one-time fee and you have access to hundreds and thousands of ebooks. All right, so how can you do this? Now, if you come to this playlist over here, if you scroll down a bit, you will see where I wrote 𝗦𝗱𝗶𝗹 Academy. You can see it over here. So once you click on this view full playlist here, so once you click on it, just watch this video over here. This first one, which I say how I earn $30 daily using 𝗦𝗱𝗶𝗹 Academy. So I'm not saying you should go and start making use of the account or start making use of the platform, but the only thing you have to do is what? Register with them with just $30 and you'll have access to thousands of ebooks and videos that you can convert into writing. Okay, with this you can have access to many of them and convert it into writing. Just watch this video alone. You can forget about other videos, but just watch this to show you step-by-step guide on how you can do what, how you can register with the platform and go there and take the PDFs that you want. All right, just take the PDFs that you want for just $30. It is a one-time payment for you to have access to all these PDFs. So that's one. Then secondly, for us that have topics and we don't know how to write, or we don't have topic, we also want to get content, want to write. Okay, now what you have to do later at the end of the, by maybe I'm going to either at the end of this video or later I'm going to show you guys how you can paraphrase all the PDFs you're going to get from this platform to paraphrase it to your own test, okay, which is converting it to your own. All right, so now another thing you have to do is to go to fiverr.com. So once you go to fiverr.com over here, you can as well click here and type maybe ebook writers. You can see here Ghost ebook writer. So once you click on it, you can see many of them. As you can see here, this person said Amazon ebook ghostwriter. Okay, so let me just go out. I don't want to sign. Now you can see so many of them over here. All those people, you can pay them just $10 to write an ebook for you. You can pay this person $5 to write an ebook for you, $15 to write an ebook for you. Remember that this payment you are paying is a one-time off payment for them to write this for you. And once you have the copyright ownership of the book, it will be on Amazon KDP forever. And the more people are buying those books, the more you are earning. You can even earn more than what they used to generate the ebook for you. Okay, so it's a great opportunity for you to come to this place. If you don't have a topic, or you have a topic that you want someone to write for you, can come here, pick anybody that you think is good at writing, then they write for you. This is $5, as you can see from here. This person is $10, this person is $5, this person is also $10. Okay, so the person can write for you and give you the raw files for you to upload on Amazon KDP. Then another place you can go to get this kind of people at Upwork. If you go to upwork.com, over here you can get as many writers as you want. You can type and search for ebook writers over here. So once you search for ebook writers, then you can see many people that are writing ebooks. You can see here, this person, you pay this person per hour, depending. There are some people that are on a lesser. So what you have to do is just to go through this and see the best one that suits you, and you go for them. Okay, another place you can go is freelancer.com. Freelancer.com also offers such opportunities of writing and other aspect of writing. Okay, so these are the place you can go and get your writers to write an ebook for you if you have a topic or you don't have a topic, or rather you go and watch this video and get your own personal ebook and paraphrase it. No, so now how can we paraphrase? Now I normally use some tools. One is called 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗏. Now this 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗏, now you can see from here, this has so many functionality here. It has so many functionality, though it has the paid version and free version. But I think the free version will be okay for now. Okay, so now if I want to paraphrase a particular word here, what I have to do is either I copy from the PDF. So what I have to do right now is just download one PDF here, and I will copy some sentence from that PDF, and I'll paste it here for you to see how this software paraphrase each word. So right now I've copied something and I want to paste it here. So if I click on this, and I can paste using this button here, I can just click and do my Ctrl V and paste. So I've pasted this. As you can see here, it's not about glamoring the word I love God. When you have the real passion and real love for God, then abundance is a must. So what I have to do now, this is 24 words, as you can see from here, and it has about 122 characters. Then I have to just click on this paraphrase here. Once I click on this paraphrase, and I'll wait for it to load. Once it has loaded, as you can see here, it has already paraphrased this write-up. So you can see from here, they said, I love God, so it is not about shouting his praises. Abundance is essential when you truly love and are passionate about God. You can see how it paraphrased all this. So now another thing you have to know is that these ones that are coloring this color here, you can click on them and change it to any write-up you want, to your own favorite word. Okay, so you can click on them and change it to your own word. If you want, like shouting, you can just put it as screening, listening, so you can change it to shouting back. This essential, you can change it to necessary, important, vital, anything you want to change it to. Okay, passionate, you can also change it anyhow you want to change it. So with this, you can do what? Paraphrase a lot of words in any PDF or any ebook you have that someone has written. You can paraphrase it to your own word, and add some certain things to make it unique to yours. Okay, so with this, you can have a full ebook and have it uploaded on Amazon Kindle for people to order for it, or for people to buy it from Amazon.com or any other Amazon website. Okay, so with this little thing I've chipped in here, you can see how you can get your own content to publish for sale. Okay, so if you still have your own ideas about something that you want to share, you can as well put it in writing and publish it on Amazon, and people will be there to buy. Okay, now the next video I'm going to show you guys later will be a video, a step-by-step guys, on how I'm going to upload a well successful and quality ebook on Amazon Kindle, because you know that Amazon needs what they call they are professional in making, and they need what they want is quality. If you didn't follow up their step-by-step guide on how to upload it, or the right thing to upload, it will not work out for you. So that's one reason you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because in the next video I'll be showing you guys how to do this. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful, and if it is helpful, please don't forget to smash that like button, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and toggle or click on that bell icon, select all notification, so that you'll be the first to get notified each time I drop a video. All right, and if you have any question you want to comment, you can use the comment section and I will be there to reply you. All right, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friend. I wish to see you guys in my next video. Peace out.